In this video, I'm going to show you how to make most out of Superscale and get you started quickly. I'm going to start with creating a completely new brand, asking Superscale to do that with me. So let's do that for the Aura ring. Superscale automatically analyzes the website and pulls in the brand name, description, product info, logos, product images. So a lot of the heavy lifting is already done for you. That's already a solid starting point, but really to get the most out of Superscale and ensure brand consistency, there are a few extra steps I always recommend. So let's check the agent score. You see it here. Your Superscale agent score tells you how much context your agent has to work with. The higher the score, the better it understands your product, your brand, and your marketing objectives. Think of it like onboarding a new team member. You wouldn't want them working on your campaigns without any context. Right now, we are around 50%, which means the basics are already there, but there is a lot of room to improve. So let me show you how the most impactful things can improve your agent. In the brand guide and product info sections, you'll see the most basic information about your brand and product already being filled in. There are two things you want to double check. First, your languages. So if your website is multilingual or your mobile app, we may have pulled in languages that you don't actually advertise in or the ones that you didn't. So just remove or add which applies or doesn't apply to you. Second, and this is one of the most important things, is your logo. In order to ensure brand consistency, it's very important that the correct logos are labeled as such here in the brand guide. You can double check this here by hovering over label. And you might want to make sure that it's labeled as brand logo. Quick tip, you can always access all the brand information right from the settings. So let's have a look at them just to show you real quick. This is how it looks like. Great, so I'm gonna add the languages here as well. English was missing. Next up, and this is a very important one, context files. These have the single biggest impact on your agent's output quality, and they can cover pretty much anything from brand guidelines, specific product features, target audience descriptions, research you've done in the past, hooks that have worked, even legal requirements about what should or should not appear on your ads. So make sure you definitely add context files to the Superscale agent, but because context files are so important to really tailor the results, I'm gonna add a dedicated video on context files, and I definitely recommend you watching it. Next, competitors. Add the competitors that you are competing against. Those are the brands that are running ads on Meta, so you can select them here from the list and start tracking them. Let's continue with integrations. The most impactful one is connecting your Meta Ads account or TikTok Ads account. Once connected, the agent can pull your actual performance data, which creatives are converting, what messaging patterns work, and where to iterate. This is one of the biggest aha moments for most of our users. So simply click connect, and Superscale will guide you through it. So that's my setup. Brand guide checked. Logos labeled. I've added context files. I added my top competitors. I'm going to add my ad account. Do this and your agent score will jump. But more importantly, every ad, every analysis, every iteration the agent builds for you will be significantly better from the start. Next up, our deep dive on context files. That's where it gets really powerful. Let's continue with this one.